If you're a resin artist, you know that the tabletop epoxy is a nightmare to mix. Hi, I'm Alex, welcome back to my workshop. You need a heavy formula for that perfect high gloss finish, but mixing them is exhausting. It seriously feels like the hardest part of the entire project. But I finally found a resin that completely changes it. This formula is engineered so well that you get the look of a high viscosity resin without the usual mixing struggle. It mixes perfectly and you won't get any internal swirls or streaks. Here is my easy method of how to do it. I pour equal parts of the resin and the hardener into my cup. Then I set my timer for 3 to 5 minutes. Now you still have to mix slowly and thoroughly, no rushing. Mixing quickly just adds unnecessary bubbles, and we don't want that. Because the mixing is so easy, you can focus entirely on your pour, and you are guaranteed a flawless result. It cures rock hard to a super glossy, crystal clear finish. It's tough, durable, and heat resistant. Just remember, this is a tabletop formula, so you should only pour it up to 3 mm thick to get that perfect flawless surface. Knowing this resin has superior UV resistance means my piece won't turn yellow over time. It's also completely non-toxic and low odor, which is huge when you're spending hours in your studio. You get to focus on the art, not the chemistry, and get that perfect professional finish on every piece. You have to try this.